Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually change the name of your Roblox group. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further delay, let us get started with today's video. How to change Roblox group name. In this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can change the group name of your Roblox account. So we'll make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first of all, you could simply open any browser and go to roblox.com, but then I'm actually going to open my app. Once you open your app, you want to go ahead and log into your Roblox account, and after you log in, you can see this is how the home interface is actually going to look like of the app right over here. Now what we can do is, first of all, we're going to go to our group section, and in order to do that, at the bottom right, you want to simply tap on the three dot under the circle icon. So tap on the three dot icon and you'll be taken to this page. Right here at the bottom left, you'll find an option that says groups. So go ahead and simply tap on groups. As you tap on groups, we're going to be taken to a new page right over here, and in order to actually create a group, on the top right you would have to tap on the create group button and then go ahead and enter your group name, description, add an emblem and logo, and you would actually have to pay in order to create a group. However, if you already have a group right over here, then if you want to actually change it, previously we didn't have that option, you would actually have to contact the Roblox support team in order to get your group name changed. However, on a recent update, Roblox has actually added a new feature where else that you could actually be able to change the group name, and in order to do that, once you're on this page, you want to actually simply tap on the group name which you would like to change. So once you tap on the three dots menu, then you would actually be able to see a button that says configure group. Go ahead and follow the instructions accordingly. You can go to the information section, and then you could also tap on the edit or any type of button at the bottom right or left hand side, and you could also click on the dot icon in order to go ahead, enter your new name, and then save the changes. You would actually be able to see all of those options here once you are on your Roblox homepage. So this is actually a new feature added by Roblox, so you don't want to worry, because now we can actually change it very easily. And the thing you also want to remember is that after you change the username, you would not be able to change it for the next 90 days, and the previous keyword on which your group used to be searched will not be available anymore. If you change the group name, it will not show up on the previous word in which it used to be searched. So make sure to remember all of that. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.